right here, I had to hold 40 minutes right. So I catch the edge of my target and I go out and there's a fence post down there. So I go over to the fence post, move, look at the fence post, get my elevation right here, and then fire. My trigger cam got goofed up. I bonked it a couple times, got it back on, and then here's the hit coming in. It's right on the top right side. I just missed the target. So I wanted to show how crazy this shooting was with these 40-mile-an-hour winds. I did get a hit right there with this wind blowing like crazy. Oh. So here's some stuff off the Kestrel. We're hitting 25-mile-an-hour winds. Right now that's 19. You can see the holdover. I've actually held more than that. I'm holding 42, somewhere around there, to 55. It's crazy. Anyway, we'll see what we can do. I'm going to try to get a couple more on target before I pack up. Super windy.